Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your funny prank sounds app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just switch into open video like this here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for funny prank sounds app, or just click here on search. So then here add funny prank sounds, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.